Spears, director with The Pampered Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. Today, we're doing just a really quick barbecued pork. I actually got it from Aldi's. It was like $1.99 a pound. It was a pork shoulder with the barbecue sauce already in. So you'll see what I did. I just chopped up a little bit of mushrooms because I had those, some peppers that I had, and some onion that I had, and put it in the quick cooker. So we will see how this goes. So my quick cooker has been on for about an hour, and I already let it rest for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So let's do it. It's only going to be a little bit of steam that comes up. You'll notice that little red button over there. I don't know if you can see it. That will drop down, and I should be able to open that up. I wish they had smell-o-vision because this smells amazing. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take my salad choppers, and we're just gonna chop this up and shred it. And then I'm gonna put it over the rice that I already see how this is just starting to shred it all up. And then this is going to, I might put it on a little bit longer just to evaporate some of this liquid and get it all nice and, you know, just kind of nice and a little bit thicker. So I might do that. It depends on, you know, how I'm feeling, when Michael gets into the house from outside. Because literally, I was working, I put this on, and then went back out to work and let this go. So look at these salad choppers do a great job of this. And so this will actually feed Michael and I probably for tonight and some lunches. Because I might do a nice lunch bowl with this also. Look at how nice that looks. Oh my gosh, that looks good. I might have to chop it up a little bit more. But I might do a nice little rice bowl with this also. And, you know, just kind of maybe put some veggies in it. Yeah, I might chop this up just a little bit more. And kind of cook it on saute a little bit longer too. And I'm going to serve it over rice. Now, I want to show you what I did. I have right here my rice cooker plus. Let me grab a fork. And this was just in the microwave while that was cooking. Now, normally I do pot cooking in the quick cooker, but I didn't want to open it up because that was an hour, and I didn't want my rice to go for an hour. So I did it in the micro cooker plus, and that's perfect rice every single time. Either one does perfect rice every single time. This is just barbecue pork with rice and some veggies that I have. So that's it for now.